Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a small supermarket example for arithmetic and comparison operators. So please walk through with me. Let me explain the code. So this is a small example for supermarket. There is some offers are going on in the supermarket. If customer takes only one food packet means there is no discount on it. If anyone takes two packets means 15% discount. More than three packets means 20% discount. So now I'm going to show you the code. First, I'm going to collect the information from the end user, how many food packets he bought. Then I'm going to calculate after discount how much is the final price to pay to the supermarket. So let me show you the code. So first I'm collecting the information. Food packets is equal to input of enter the number of food packets. So the food packet price is 130 rupees. So price is equal to 130. I'm going to take a new variable. Total is equal to food packets multiplied with price. So if the customer takes only one food packet, there's no discount on it. So if total equal to 130, print of there is no discount on it. So the final price is total rupees. If anyone takes two packets means if total equal to 260 rupees, that means two packets. I'm taking new variable total multiplied with 15% discount divided by 100. So here I'm going to calculate how much offer he is going to get. So the final price is equal to total minus A. So now I'm just taking this print statement. After 15% discount, the final price is, here I'm going to change the variable, that is final price. If any customer takes more than three packets means, let me take the code. If the total is more than 260 rupees, B is equal to total multiplied with 20%. He's going to get like a 20% discount. So final price 1 is equal to total minus B. After 20% discount, the final price is this much. Let me execute the code. Now I'm collecting the information. If he bought only one food packet, so you can see there is no discount on it. So final price is 130 rupees. If anyone bought two packets means After 15% discount, this is 221 rupees is the final price. If anyone takes more like 5 packets, so you can see 520 rupees after 20% discount. So in this example, I used both arithmetic operators like multiplication, addition, subtraction, and comparison operators also. You can see the equal to and greater than. So in next video, I'm going to show you one more example. So please walk through with me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.